We have a very exciting product here today. It's a wired gaming keyboard with backlight, which is available in a very good budget. So let's see. Cosmic Byte CB-GK-06 Galactic wired gaming keyboard with aluminum body. The box contains just this keyboard. As you can see, it has a metallic body which is made of aluminum. The keys feels like a mechanical keyboard. There's a plastic armrest which can be quite comfortable if you are typing or gaming for long periods. The underside is made of plastic. Cosmic Byte advertises that this keyboard has 7-color RGB backlight with 4 levels of brightness control and 9 different backlight effects. So let's see. This is their first effect, which shows all the colors in a beautiful wave-like pattern. You can adjust the brightness by pressing the backlight key. It switches off. If you click the backlight key again, it switches on. If you press the F1 key and press page down, it reduces the brightness. If you press it once more, it reduces the brightness again. If you press page down once again, it switches off. So there are 4 levels of brightness available here. If you want to change the backlight pattern, then just press F1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Like for example, this is the second pattern, the third one, the fourth one. This is just a single light which you can change to any light you like. Just in one area. You can actually change to different areas of the keyboard. Now this one appears only when you type, like if you press a button, that will appear. Now this 9th one is a very interesting one. This pattern actually works based on your voice. So if a music is playing on in your computer, then it will change according to that music. Like so this keyboard actually has a microphone built into it, so it detects sound also. That's quite weird. The keys are also removable, so if you need to clean the keyboard or something, you can remove it. The USB cable provided with this keyboard is of very good quality. I don't think it will break or something. So overall, for the price of around $15 to $20, this is a very good keyboard. I will totally recommend it.